name is Himanshu Funde. I am from College of Engineering Technology, Nagpur. I am from Civil Engineering 5th Sem. My subject DSS and my topic is calculate the step factor for the rectangular section having been 100 mm and width 400 mm. This is given diagram height 400 mm and deep 100 mm. This is formula SF is equal to ZP and upon ZT. ZT is equal to I upon Y is equal to dB upon 12 upon 1 upon 2 is equal to dB cube upon 12 into 2 upon D. Put the value is equal to into 100 and into 400 cube upon 12 into 2 upon D. Put the value 100 into 400 cube upon 12 into 2 upon D. ZE is equal to 2666.67 mm and ZP is equal to A upon 2 in bracket Y bar 1 plus Y bar 2 is equal to 100 into 400 upon 2 in bracket 100 plus 100. ZP is equal to 4000 mm and then SF is equal to ZP upon ZP is equal to 4000 upon 266.67. SF is equal to 1.49. I hope you will understand. Thank you.